Hello again, YouTube. Another week, another mod. Thankfully, now in my current situation that I'm working, I'm able to do more mods, and that way I can bring more content to you guys. So this week is a side skirt kit that my roommate Sean actually picked up for me, which is actually very, very kind and generous of him. So kind of generous that I allowed boat parking in my garage. Anyway, so this week is going to be a pretty simple one. It's going to be a pretty quick and fast and straightforward one. So these are aftermarket side skirts, and I already put the aftermarket front lip on it. They don't really match up to the stock locations like the OEM ones would, but I'm not going to pay $500 for OEM side skirts and $400 for an OEM front lip. So this is another option for those of you who are tight on a budget but still want to go ahead and modify their car. So I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick. Like I said, it's going to be a super quick one, but the side skirts alone really do upgrade the look of the car. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing installed here, and it's going to be a quick, easy process. Like I said, there is one thing you do have to modify first, and let me go ahead and show you guys what that is. It's going to be this piece right here that sits at the back end of the car, right there on the side skirt. So right there on the back, there's this little guard that you do have to take off in order to put the side skirt on. So I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to go ahead and get this thing on. And it's only going to be held on by self-tapping screws. That's all you really need to do. Like I said before, they don't match up the locations of like the stock clips on the side skirt. So self-tapping screws, you'll be just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started. I'm going to take this piece off first, and then we're going to go ahead and line this thing up and just get it installed. Like I said, it's going to be really quick, fast, and easy. And like I said, that was really, really easy. I'm going to jack it up again real quick and add just a couple more screws, and then I'm good to go. Like I said, aftermarket front lip. I had another one after the first one shattered. And now we've got the side skirts. So it's kind of, with the back pieces that I already had, the side skirts and the front lip, it's getting there. So I got next weekend is my long weekend as far as having 3 days off in a row. And I plan on doing a few other things at that point. Some small stuff, I might get some type of flack for a couple of things I'm gonna do, but it's my car and I'm gonna do what I wanna do, and I encourage everybody else out there to do what they want to do to their cars, regardless of whatever criticism you get on Facebook, whatever people say about it. It's your car, you make the payments, or if you own it, you can't let other people tell you what to do. So like I said, this is another really easy install, but it really does change up everything. So I am absolutely in love with it. So until next time, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff that every YouTuber says. And have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you so much for the support.